Should I repair minor HVAC issues immediately? Yes, handle minor heating, ventilation, and air conditioning problems promptly because they can become unsafe, waste energy, and lead to expensive repairs. A small warning sign, such as weak airflow, unusual noises, bad odors, or uneven temperatures, often means a part is working harder than it should. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow, make the system run longer, and cause the indoor coil to freeze. Replacing a disposable filter is usually simple, but first check the size printed on the old filter and turn the system off. If one room stays too hot or cold, check that vents are open and furniture is not blocking them. Strange electrical smells, burning odors, water near the indoor unit, or repeated shutoffs deserve quick professional attention. One lesser-known problem is a clogged condensate drain, which can make water back up and trigger a safety switch that shuts the system down. You can keep the area around the equipment clear, but do not open electrical panels or add refrigerant yourself. Write down the symptoms, when they happen, and any recent changes so a technician can find the cause faster. A common mistake is waiting until the system completely stops, so schedule an inspection when warning signs first appear. Another mistake is buying the thickest or cheapest filter without checking the equipment instructions, so use the filter type and replacement schedule recommended for your system. Many people also mistake normal startup sounds for dangerous noises, while grinding, screeching, repeated clicking, or banging should not be ignored. Turn the system off and request service if the sound continues. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.